want to talk to you today about the future and, obviously some hand waving and speculation as we might see it. But first, I want to start off with what it might look like. So we talked about optogenetics. What could that, look like in the future? Obviously, just basics here. Wanted to tell you that there's an opportunity that you can use light waves to wavelengths of various light to basically stimulate proteins that are photosensitive and modulate pathways within a cell to upregulate or downregulate pain pathways or other non-pain opportunities. What else? You could have focused ultrasound. Use an MRI machine to focus ultrasound at a single point. Make a lesion. Maybe make a lesion in the thalamus and get rid of pain for somebody. It also might look like brain-computer interfaces, where you have things like, you might be familiar with Neuralink, that you might be able to control and modulate with a direct interface into a brain or a nerve.